Hello students, today we are going to discuss topic name is molecule. What is molecule? A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. Substance may be element or compound which is capable of independent existence and show all the properties of that substance. A molecule may be regarded as a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. The atoms in a molecule are tightly connected by attractive forces. Atoms of same or different elements can join together to form molecule. Next is the molecule of element. But before this, I will tell you about the atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity means the number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as atomicity. Suppose the molecule of an element are constituted by the same type of atoms. Molecule of many elements such as argon, helium, neon, sodium are made up of only one atom. Means only one atom of element is present. So it means its atomicity is 1 and these are known as monoatomic. Monoatomic means only one atom is present in a compound or in a molecule. But this is not a case with most of the non-metals. For example, a molecule of oxygen consists of two atoms of oxygen and hence it is known as diatomic molecule. It contains only one atom, so it is known as monatomic, and this is known as diatomic because it contains two atoms of oxygen. So next is the molecule of compounds. Atoms of different elements join together in a definite proportion to form molecule of compound. For example, we are taking here water. In case of water, hydrogen and oxygen, they have ratio 1:8. Means they join together in a definite proportion to form molecule of compound. Next is the what is an ion? What is ion? Ion is a charged species. Ion is a charged species. Okay, charged species. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals contain charged species, and the charged species are known as ion. An ion can be negatively or positively charged. A negatively charged ion is known as anion and positively charged ion is known as cation. We are taking example here, sodium chloride. Sodium it has positive charge, chlorine has negative charge. So we know positively charged is known as cation and negatively charged ion is known as anion. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.